Hey, how are you doing? It is Monday the 14th. Things are still happening around here. I got my lunch. It's like roast beef and cheese on rye, some pickles, and some yogurt. I heard that if I eat this yogurt, I'll meet John Stamos. That's a good thing. A couple things I want to talk about. First Choice. So First Choice opened up in December, and a lot of parts ran out really quickly. And all the First Choice products are donated by suppliers. When those parts ran out, they're not donating more, and we're not holding back anymore. So that's a portion of the first kit is the First Choice program. For instance, Across the Road Electronics donated 500 talons, and once the 500 talons were done, those were it. Now other companies are donating PDVs and products that go into the kit of parts the teams got on the kickoff weekend. So there's not only the First Choice parts that are available to the teams. This is the start of our spin box gearbox. We did this 3D print this past weekend. We're going to have two versions of this. Well, two versions of this flange piece. We'll have a smaller piece. I'll have a piece like this with a flange so you can mount it on something and have an overdrive situation or just a reduction if you want. There's a couple things I want to show you out here in the warehouse, so let's go for a walk. Come with me. Okay, so pyramids. This is the team version of the pyramid with plywood and U-bolts. It's kind of shaky, but it's also fairly sturdy. I mean, I can get on it, I can shake it a little bit, but it's holding me pretty well. We are still looking at making the welded version. If the price is appropriate, we will start taking advance orders this week. We're getting our final pricing today and tomorrow. So hopefully I'll be able to tell you more about that tomorrow. Two more things. A lot of teams are using a pneumatic wheel to spin and shoot their discs. Notice here we have added some washers and added a longer screw here so this thing spins without so much wobble. This valve stem causes wobble in a high frequency, so we've added some weight over here to offset that. That works pretty well. One last thing is the team I'm on, Team 3940 Cybertooth. They wanted me to say the name. It's Cybertooth. We actually have a dry base. We've weighted it down. So I suggest you to do the same. We weighted this thing down so it weighs about 150, 140 pounds. So with this bar on here, it's about the weight of a competition dry base. When you're making your dry bases, make sure you weight it down so that you can see how it steers and acts on the carpet. See you tomorrow.